Okay, hi everyone. I've been getting a few requests from my followers on YouTube for a new update of my car, and I have added a few updates in. If you've been following my Instagram, or for those who don't follow, you will know that this is a video for those who don't follow. So, I did add a few graphics to continue with the crow theme. My car is called DD Crow, and the DD actually stands for Day of the Dead, because this car is dedicated to the movie The Crow and Brandon Lee, and the whole car is a tribute to him for his character. I'm a big fan of Bruce Lee, and I was also a big fan of Brandon Lee. So I made this car, or in the beginning it started just a simple, black V6, and then I thought that, oh, maybe I should name it The Crow, and then things just started from there. And then as I gained more followers, I didn't realize that, or I should have known that there are a lot more other people who are like me, who remember Brandon Lee and miss him very much dearly. So as you can see, I have these two new graphics to continue with the Crow theme. I have the giant crow graphic on the front of my car, because when I was younger, I did like the Trans Am. I love that Firebird. And this is kind of a tribute to that, since they don't make that car anymore. And on the side, you can see here, there is also a feather, a crow feather, that breaks into crows. Sorry for the glare. I also added another thing, which is a ceramic coat to my car. So it's very, very shiny, and here, I'll show you. This is one of my older graphics. This is the first one you see from back here. That's the first graphic I added to the car to begin the Crow theme. And as I said again, the DD stands for Day of the Dead. I know, as the movie The Crow is themed around Day of the Dead. You see the graphics, and let me show you the ceramic coat here. So here's some clean water. You can just see it coming off the car. And another graphic I added was the gas cap graphic of the Crow. If I can come in a little bit closer, there it is. Right? And let's go inside for some of the inside mods that I also did. Ignore the messiness. It's not as clean as it should be, since it's been raining a lot here in California. We're not in car show season, not in the summer, and I have been keeping my car as clean as I need to. Let's see on the inside, I added a few of the add white accents, and I also added a customized Crow logo too. And here you can see the white accents I have in the car. If you have seen the movie The Crow, you know that Brandon Lee used a white makeup, very similar to, I would say, Heath Ledger in Dark Knight. But a lot of people don't know that Brandon Lee actually did it first. So I talked to some of the younger kids who don't know about Brandon Lee, and they ask me, or they think that it's Heath Ledger. I'm like, no, it's not. It's The Crow. And you see some here, the white graphics I added in, more of the white accents. Some more of the. I also have a red interior lights, right? And for those who've been wanting to hear the engine, the V6. Here, let me turn it on for you. The Supercharged V6, that is. And I have another Crow graphic inside. Now let's go to the engine. You can see here's the supercharger. well still. You can see more of the pro graphics. Part of my team. Charging really well. I still get great mileage with a lot of power. Very fun driving. Can't commit. No problems. There's one factory return I did, but it was under warranty. They just said that we fill the oil too much, so be careful when you get this RIP supercharger. Don't change oil on the supercharger. Don't overfill. That's very important. All right. And just for those, it was too loud earlier. Let me repeat myself. I've had the supercharger for about a year already, and there's been no problems. The car has been running really well. There was only one issue where I had to overfill the the supercharger oil was overfilled too much, according to them. And then luckily it was under warranty, and RIP helped me recover it. They did. The customer service was great, but that was only it. That was the only thing. Outside of that, the car has been, the supercharger, the kit has been really good. The car has been really good to it. I have great mileage, as you can. I'll show you here. As you can see, my MPG right now is 21.5. It's still great. And I still get 426 to the wheel. So the car is doing great. Right now, my car has been mostly at shows. I don't do tracking as much. I used to do, as you see in my videos, I used to do the autocross, and I also do the full track. But now I've been doing more car shows because my Instagram account has been going off. And I want to thank you all the followers who follow me on Instagram, and for those who follow me on YouTube, I want to send you there too. Please follow the Crow 1994. Alright, that's my updated video, guys. Most of the updates were cosmetic, because now I can't do much for the supercharger. I already got the power. Oh yeah, let me show you. I did one more thing. I did add some handling mods. So I have a strut tower. You can see right here, the strut tower. It's from the Speed Logics, right? The sport tower, the strut tower is really good. And I also have sway bars that are going to be added very soon. From my previous video, I told you guys that I like being on the road course a lot more and the autocross versus being on the strip. I feel that it tests my skill more, and I do take this car up to the mountains a lot too. The handling mods really changed the car, and I advise you guys who do have V6s or V8s too, to focus on the handling mods. It will really change how the car feels, because you already have that power under the car. You want to keep it on the road, and handling mods is the next thing to do. It will make a huge difference. Then you won't think or feel like your car is a boat anymore, and I guarantee you that is how I feel when me and my friend, White Knight, he has an SRT, right? And we were going in the Angeles Crest Highway, and he was wondering how could I take those those curves so fast on the up in the cliff and the mountain. I'm like, the car just feels really stable on the turns, and even if I was going a little bit faster, it was a little bit dangerous, but the car felt really stable, and I was comfortable going quicker or faster getting into those curves. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you everyone for the support, and have a great day and a great weekend. Bye-bye.